Hello Crazy Crafters, this is Shell coming to you. We're going to open up our kit club for the month of April and get started. I'm excited. I haven't opened it until right now. I did cut the tape that seals the box, but that's about it. So I'm excited to see what's inside. Oh, that's a really cute stamp set. Okay, and then idea card. Epoxy flowers. Big hugs. Oh, these are cute. Little mirror hearts. Oh, I love pearls. We've got some pearls going on. Some twine. Same with the Kingdom ribbon and the pink ribbon. That's really cute. I'm really liking that. Oh, I like the wheelbarrow. Awesome. Alright. Envelopes as always. Don't think that these aren't awesome because they are. They come in so handy. And our cardstock seems fall to me, but it's cute. Okay. Well, let's get started. 5 cards on the clock. Ready, set, go. Alright, so what I've done is I've made a card base out of the chocolate brown cardstock, and I've scored it, and I'm going to now choose my, I think this one's going to be a pretty basic card. I just realized that this is braided. Oh, that's super cute. The word one. I'm going to do the background in the brown color and then the word. Alright, so I went ahead and I put some Sizzix adhesive on the back of this color that came in the kit, and then I went ahead and die cut my word dies. I didn't realize that all the letters were individual, so when I first popped it out and all the letters fell apart, I'm like, what? But it's okay. It's so that you can mix and match the letters and make different words if you want to. But anyway, so I went ahead and stuck all my letters on so you didn't have to watch me be all finicky putting all the letters on. And I put some foam tape on the back. I'm just going to stick it right on there. And I think it needs something. I think I know who I want to give this card to. And it's a boy. So I'm going to put a couple of these pearls down in the corner. Let's do 3. And just to make it symmetrical, I'm going to put it up in the top corner too. And I think that's going to conclude our first card, you guys. Look at you. You're a rock star. Boom, boom, boom. Card number 1 complete. Then on the inside, we should probably put a stamp in there, don't you think? Get out of my way, card. I'm trying to play with my ink here. So this stamp says, every cloud has a silver lining. You just have to look up to see it. And I am stamping it in silver ink. Big hugs. Alright, next card. Card numero is finito. Okay, so I cut out my stand-up die with my Regal stand-up card thingamaboober. And I'm going to pick out my pattern paper that I want to do my small pieces on. Let's do the flowers. Alright, I'm going to go die cut this. I'll be right back. Alright, so I cut out my pieces of pattern paper. I'm going to put it on. Ooh. Do like that. No, not like that. now red flower there, white flower there, and pink flower there. Just why not? I'm just going by the seat of my pants. And I think I'm going to use some red ribbon, Gangnam style. And I'm going to go right along. Let's do it near the bottom. Like so. Big hugs is the only thing that's really fitting in my brain for up here. But I think this time I'm going to do it without the shadow. Okay guys, I just had a change of plans in the middle of cutting out my letters. I just remembered that I have this bear to stamp set, and so I decided I'm going to stamp this bear, die cut him, and stick him on the card. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to actually stamp him, I think, on brown paper, but let's do it on this one because it came in the kit. Where's my... I have used this guy before, so I don't have to prep the stamp. You only have to do the prepping if you've never used the stamp before. Out of my way, everything. See, and I stamp it on brown paper because now I don't have to cover him. He looks cute. I'm going to go ahead and cut him out. Actually, see how I stamped it on this side? I don't need that to be a card base size. So I'll cut that off like that. Keep my card base size for another card. Alright, I'm back. I cut my little guy, and I also cut out his arms. So, well, I didn't cut his arms off, but I cut out the part that makes his arms able to hold something. So what if we stick him on there, and then let's get him a big heart. Alright, well that was really finicky, but we got it. He's got his little, holding his little heart, and I think inside we're going to use one of our stamps. How about some bear hugs? And I know that was kind of cheating because that wasn't in the kit, was it? That was a previous set that I got from back in the day. But I kind of like the fact that it shows you that you can use this kit with the things that you already have as well. And it all just kind of coordinates. So that is card number 2. You got your bear. It's any bear hugs. Alright, so I have my cardstock. I picked my striped colored pattern paper, and I cut it into some various sizes that I liked. I used my scrap craft color. Let's just layer it. Let's just see what happens. I love it when people layer cards and they make it look so good. I don't have that skill quite yet, but I'll keep practicing. Eventually I'll get the look that I'm going for. Who knows? Maybe today is that day. And that sound is my husband coming in the front door. Just ignore that. Yep, I'm liking it. Alright, so we're playing. Here we go. Alright, so I added on my twine. I have a little piece of green paper, and I'm going to stamp loads of things. Add that on. These are kind of like a rose. Pearl. big one down there, little ones underneath. Card number 3 complete. I kind of feel like this needs some. I'm just going to stick with the pearls because they're pretty. I'm going to do one in each corner of the opposite corners of where the rose color ones are. There we go. That looks better. Alright, so I'm back. I cut out a drop-in scalloped card base and I chose the wheelbarrow paper because I just thought it was so cute. And I have, that's not working for me. Let's do maybe some teal. Just for a cross. It's like a 1-inch piece. I don't know what I'm doing yet, but let's see. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm going to cut out this piece right here. Alright, so what I did was I cut out the wagon paper and I cut out the scallop square out of one of the, it's a scallop square that comes with the drop-in scallop card base. And I don't know if I want to do teal yet or flowers. I'm kind of feeling like teal. And I'll put a little white rectangle on here with a sentiment and some twine wrapped around a few times. So let's do that, starting with the twine. Some foam tape on the back. Like so. Alright, so I'm going to stamp. Can't really see it against that white one, but there's a small rectangle. Yeah. I sometimes just stamp it off until it stamps no more. Or I can just take a chance. Ooh, but don't do it upside down. Happy hello. Nobody's wiser. Happy hello. That just kind of brings the brown into it. There's card number 4. Happy hello. Alright, so I went ahead and I made a card base out of my sea glass cardstock, and I cut out a piece of white cardstock and embossed some clouds on it. And looking at my letters, I just realized that I have an I, and I have a U, and I have a heart. So I can do an I heart you in the clouds. What do you think of that? Let's try it. Oh, you guys, I get it. The last card, and I kept the adhesive on the heart. It's a miracle. A miracle, I tell you. So and I'd already cut these out earlier, so it's not like this card took me any time at all. And I heard you in the clouds. Put some adhesive on the back of this one. Let's put on the inside. The stamp about the clouds. And again, I'm going to stamp it in silver because that just makes sense. It didn't really show up super awesomely well, but you can see it. You can see it in person, it's just hard to show it on camera. But it is embossed, there you go, you can sort of see there. Yeah, alright, so that concludes our 5 cards from one kit. There's card number 4, card number 3, card number 2, and card numero 1. Thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Not just pointing your thumb up at the screen though, like you actually have to hit the thumbs up icon right down there. And subscribe if you'd like to be notified the moment a new video goes up. Leave a comment in the section below of a card that you would love to watch me do, and I will do it for you, and I'll even give you a shout out. Alright, I'll talk to you next time. Bye.